Unreal. Now we're opening the second package. And here we got
the box. It looks like a phone. Here, I'm going to show you guys how much it costs. Right there.
Now finally, what you've been waiting for. The phone is right here in the bubble wrap.
Look at this protective surrounding. Look at that bubble wrap, huh? What else? What kind of accessories came with? Looks like we got some sort of charger. Brick by Shark, whatever this company is. It's okay though. And then we got the SIM card. Little thingamabob. Right here. Now onto the main course. See if the phone works. You can see right here the phone. Looks good so far, but we'll see. I have to say, for it being a refurbished phone, it looks really good. The sides are pretty good, not gonna lie. Looks very good. Yet to see a really main scratch. It has some slight, super tiny scratches, but it's not going to be noticeable. You can see the camera right here. Looks very good. Sides. The charging port, speakers. I like that it came with a screen protector. Very nice of them. Now, the moment of truth. We're going to power it on and check the battery percentage. And it's powering on. I don't see any major scratches. There are some tiny, super micro scratches, but you're not going to be noticing that when you're on the phone. Looks really clean, I have to say. Now let's power it on, boot it up. I'm going to get back to y'all when it's set up. Guys, after about 5 to 10 minutes, I've set up the phone. So the battery health is 88%. It's not bad at all. I'll take 88%. I've seen many with 82, 81. So 88 is solid. Now we're going to see if the sound is working. Let's go to sounds. Let's go to this. Let's see if it works. Nice. It works good. What really surprised me is how great condition it came in. I'm going to try to show you guys the condition as well as I can, but it is in very, very good condition. See the sides? So as you can see, the ringer works. For some of the phones, it doesn't work. So that's a good sign that the ringer works. Yeah, the screen looks very good. I like the display. Blacks are very sharp. Nice. So now we're going to try with the camera. See if the camera works good. Boom. Camera's looking pretty good. Take a picture of these scissors. Let's check it out. As you can see, what's this? Explore. Interesting new feature. Camera looks really good. Boom. check it out. It's looking good. Yeah, the camera's looking good. Nice deal for this phone. I like this part too. It's much easier to swipe out of apps instead of tapping that home button. Because I'm coming from the 6S, so this is a lot quicker. Very nice phone. The camera's nice too. As you can see, there's some tiny scratches on the edges of the camera. But however, put a case on it and you're not going to see it. Another thing you guys want to do when you get your phone, to check it's not, you didn't get finagled, so to check if it's not a fake iPhone, you go to the App Store, and you can see what's new, boom. And yeah, this is the real App Store. So this is a real iPhone. If this is a fake iPhone, it would go to the Google Play Store, and you'd be mad. For now, it is charging because it came in very low percentage. It's at 18% right now. And it is also preparing an update for the software, which I will show you. So boom, preparing update. I'm gonna let you guys know when it's prepared. Alright, I'm back. The phone is finished updating. Now we're gonna see if it's working good still after the update. Seems to be running very smooth.